How about that shower now? Are you ready for a shower?
You can just stick your mouth under it.
Here, I'm just going to.
Oh man.
Here, I'll put it in your container. Don't get too carried away because you can give yourself a tummy ache drinking all that milk.
So that comes with treadmill,
Yeah, that was the ones that had us on the ground. Ice cream.
Just hold it in your mouth.
Ice cream's good too.
Yeah, and put your ice cream up.
No, I don't know how.